Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Music Development. Tablature is a handy and simple way for guitarists to read music, and we'll be using plenty of it as we progress. But it also has limitations and is pretty exclusive to guitar players. If you play with a keyboard player, for example, and start showing them tabs, it'll be no use to them whatsoever. And similarly, if a keys player shows you some sheet music they want to play together, you don't want to be left having no idea what to do with it. Music is a language, so it's much easier if everyone can understand one another. Starting with just the first string, we're going to look at the notes E, F, and G. We know that the open string is E. Now we add the first fret with the first finger, which is F, and the third fret with the third finger, which is G. Now look at the stave. That's what we call these 5 lines with the treble clef and notes on it. Look at where the dots of the notes are on the stave. E is in this space between these 2 lines. F is sitting on this top line. And G is sitting above the top line. Now we're going to take away the tab and play a few simple passages. All these notes are crotchets, or 1 beat long, so they should all be right on top of the click when we play. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back and try them a few more times if you struggled to read and play at the same time. Try saying the names of the notes as you do it, too. We're trying to remember the name of the note, where it is on the music, and where it is on the guitar, all at the same time. So give yourself some time to get this right, and don't guess or play random notes until it sounds right. That won't help you improve. Now we're going to keep the notes the same, E, F, and G on the first string, but the rhythms are going to change. So far, we've been playing crotchets, 1 beat each, playing on every click. Now we're going to mix in some minims. These last 2 beats. Look at how the note heads are still in the same place, but the shape has changed. Minims have a hollow note head. We'll also add in some semibreves. These last 4 beats. Make sure the notes ring out for their full length. Semibreves look like minims, but without the tail coming off them. Now it's time to put it all together. Here's another 3 passages to play, using the notes E, F, and G on the first string, using crotchets, minims, and semibreves. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you get on? You can always pause the video here and practice them a bit first, before going back and trying again. That's all for now. See you in the next video.